What's going on YouTube? Is your boy Wingstop Hobby back at you guys today with another video. On today's video, we do have another sneaker unboxing, and no, it is not a New Balance, no, it's not a LeBron 7. I know my last like 4 videos have been on those sneakers, I should say. But anyways, it is a Nike Dunk. But before we get into this pickup, please hit that like and subscribe, and feel free to follow me on Instagram down below to see how I style these beautiful sneakers. But first, before we begin, I might as well tell you guys how I purchased these shoes. Now, I did actually buy these off eBay. Now, I haven't bought a shoe off eBay in like 10 years. I do a lot of selling on eBay, but I don't do a lot of buying. I know some people are sketched out about eBay, but if you do your homework and like really like check everything before you make a purchase, you can find a lot of steals on eBay. You just gotta be super careful. I could probably make a video, since I'll be stuck in quarantine, of how to buy and sell on eBay, since I've had issues with scammers in the past buying stuff, and I've kind of like learned how to combat that a little bit just by like, you know, like stuff happening, you just like, you live and learn. So yeah, but anyways, this isn't a video about selling on eBay, but I will have to say shout out to the dude who sold me these on eBay, because he was actually local and he shipped them and they came in like a day. That's why I did it as well, because I didn't want to buy these off StockX and then like say the government gets everything gets shut down and my shoes are seen somewhere for like a month. That would just be bad. But anyways, let's just get into it. As you can see, like I did say, it's a Dunk, Nike Dunk. You guys probably guess what it is. I'm not going to tell you what color it is yet, but red standard Nike box. Nothing really special here. I kind of think since this was like a special Dunk, since it is like an OG, like college colorway, they should have did like a theme box, but it is what it is. He actually gave me the Nike receipt, so shout out to him, so I know they're legit. And he also sent me this eBay invoice, which is nice as well. I didn't even really know that you could do that, so maybe I'll start doing that when I sell on eBay, and maybe I will link my eBay selling down below, so in case anyone's watching this and wants to see what I have for sale, you guys can check it out. Anyways, enough of that, and bang bang, here we go, the Nike Dunk Low Syracuse. Now, the reason I had to have these was straight up, I used to be a Syracuse basketball fan back in the day, and I absolutely love the color orange. And this just brings me back. Like, I just love this color. I don't care like if Dunks are hype or whatever, or if it's like the hypest shoe all around right now, but I absolutely just love this color. I know this is my only Dunk. I'm not claiming I'm the biggest Nike Dunk fan in the world. I do like this shoe. I just have never like really got into them. But when I saw these and I knew it was like an OG color, I absolutely had to have it, because like I said, pretty much any shoe with the color orange on it, I'm going to be attracted to, unless it's just absolutely terrible looking. But orange on a shoe is complete go for me. But anyways, let's just get into some of the details of this shoe. Now, there's really no details, really. I mean, it's simple color blocking, like I said, OG classic colorway. This isn't like the OG, since they only came out in highs. I know that about Dunks. But yeah, I do like the Dunk Lows better than the highs, by the way. Not sure why. It's kind of opposite. Like, I like Jordan 1 highs. I don't really like Jordan 1 lows, but I like Dunk Lows better than Dunk highs. But whatever, it doesn't make sense. But yeah, this shoe is pretty much very similar to the Air Jordan 1. So if you guys like the Air Jordan 1, I'm not sure how you can't like the Nike Dunk, because they're very similar. But anyways, like I said, simple color blocking on this shoe, which I love. Now, the leather is very good on these. The shoe retailed at $100. So for $100, you do get some premium good leather for like $100. Like I said, I mean, you're not going to get leather like you would pay for like a $200 shoe, but it is what it is. But I will have to say, quality on these is where the $100 price point really kicks in, because this quality on here, it's not the best. Just like a lot of glue marks, like you can see I'm looking at one right now, it's bothering me. Like I said, I got these yesterday, and I actually had to clean them with like crop protect wipes, just because like there were so many like glue marks on them. So yeah, that's like the only flaw of these, but other than that, I absolutely love these shoes. I'm not going to make this video too long, because it's not really much to talk about. It's a standard Nike Dunk Low, but you do have a Nike on the back, orange swoosh, and yeah, like I said, the leather's pretty good for $100. I can't really complain. But yeah, if you got these for retail, I mean, you got to be ecstatic, because $100 for this, like this shoe, like it's definitely worth $100. To pay resale for it, I mean, I paid around like $200, so the resale price is coming down. I do see them going up in the future, but I think that with all the stuff going on with the economy right now, it's going to take a little longer for these to climb. So if you're holding on to them, you're probably going to have to wait like 6 months instead of like 3. But yeah, this shoe is definitely going to be popping in the summer. I'm definitely going to wear the hell out of these. Definitely going to get my money's worth. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed today's video. By the way, before we leave, I forgot to mention sizing. Now I did try these on yesterday, and my toe is like right here. I did go true to size, 10.5. I have had one SB before, the Purple Lobsters, but I could tell from that experience that these definitely fit a little more narrower. And I can just tell by the look of the shoe. The shoe's a lot more narrower than the SBs. The SBs are a lot more wider. Obviously, they're for skateboarding, so that's probably why. But yeah, I would go true to size. If you have wide feet, go half a size up. And by the way, before we end this video, they did come with white laces in the SB packaging. Now, like I said, this isn't an SB, so Nike must have just had a bunch of Nike SB lace bags laying around, and they were like, screw it, we're just gonna use these and whatever. So yeah, that's what I think they did. But these also did drop alongside a Kentucky pair as well. I figured I should mention. But yeah, I definitely just love the Syracuse colorway more because, like I said, used to be a Syracuse fan back in the day. I'm a Bears fan now, so I can wear this with my Bears gear. And like I said, love the color orange. Like, I can't get enough of these, and I cannot wait to put these on feet and style these. So make sure you follow me on Instagram so you guys can see the fire fit pic that I will be taking in these. But yeah, that's gonna end the video. One last 360 look at the Nike Dunk Low SP Syracuse. And yeah, hope you guys enjoy the rest of your day. Hope you guys are enjoying your quarantines, staying safe and healthy, because that is the most important thing, especially when it comes to a pair of shoes. It's always more important to take care of your health before you buy a pair of shoes. But yeah, that's going to do it for me, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.